Jennifer G. I'm a member of the board. Today we have our 45th annual Firecracker event. It's our first 5K, 10K back in person since the pandemic. The past 2 years we've done virtual, but there's nothing that beats just being in person, just the energy around everything. Right now we're setting up our firecrackers. We're going to light off at the beginning of opening ceremony. There'll be 100,000 firecrackers. There's a lion dance, but it'll be just a fun event.
This is our 45th year. Last couple of years, because of COVID, we went virtual, but this year, unbelievable. Everyone came back. I think we probably over 8,000 people altogether, so it's pretty cool. And we've been doing this for 45 years. All the proceeds go to the 4 elementary schools around this area, plus about 20-odd nonprofits that we support in the community.
Everything is perfect. The organizing was right on. The weather today couldn't have been better. It was cool, no wind. Everybody was laughing and smiling and helpful with each other. If you had a flat, someone was there to help pick it up. Now we're getting ready to enjoy some carbo loading Chinatown style.
This firecracker race has been a very good tradition. I've been running it ever since 2006 or 2007. It's always been a really good course. It's a hilly course, but it's what makes this community special. That's why I want to do it every single year. You know, as a Chinaman myself, an immigrant myself, this is where we bond. This is, you know, where we get together. And now this is where we race together every single Chinese New Year, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
It was great. The race was fun. It was hilly, super hilly. Just happy to get a good race effort in, channeling energy from everybody else here. And I was super happy to be able to participate and race and be able to represent Montebello. But everybody, it was fun out there, and it was a good race effort. So.
My name is Wayne Ho. I'm the board of director of LA Chinatown Firecracker Run. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support this year. We have such a wonderful event. After 2 years pandemic, finally we have a live person event, and thank you so much.